The women of Korea are famous for their glass skin and slim, slender bodies, and the reason is not some secret makeup that they use. The secret is in what they eat. They basically eat kimchi. Kimchi is a probiotic rich fermented food that is made with fish sauce, nakpa cabbage, and lots of other healthy vegetables. A healthy skin and a healthy body are just a fraction of its benefits. It has a lots of benefits. It is very good for your heart health, it is good for your cholesterol, and it makes your immunity super strong. To know how to make kimchi, do subscribe to our channel and view the link given in the description. And I realized that kimchi is more expensive than all the other probiotics that are being sold in our clinic, like sauerkraut and milk kefir, because in kimchi ingredients are expensive. For example, fish sauce is used, which is usually imported. Secondly, the vegetables that I use for kimchi making are organic, and if not, I usually give them a soak. For that, I usually put them in like 4 liters of water, and then I add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I leave it for 20 minutes, and this is said to take off the effect of the insecticides and the pesticides that are being sprayed on our fruits and vegetables. And after 20 minutes, I give them a soak. I wash them with clean water, and after that I start making my kimchi. So in this way, I get rid of all the toxins and the pesticides and insecticides that are usually present on the vegetables otherwise. And that's why my recommendation to you, if you make kimchi at home or any other vegetables, just soak them in baking soda before cooking them to remove the effect of the harmful chemicals and toxins that are being sprayed. Like in kimchi, for example, a thing called napa cabbage is used. Napa cabbage, you can get rid of the toxins by just removing the outer leaves, but the other vegetables you have to purify like this. Otherwise, you will be eating kimchi every day, and every day you will be taking a dose of these poisons and toxins that are being sprayed on your vegetables, and you will be thinking we are eating very healthy, we are eating probiotics. Well, in fact, you are eating poison. Plus, there is a suitable time for every kind of probiotic. For example, sauerkraut is a probiotic that I usually make in the summer seasons because it is hot, people can eat sauerkraut. But kimchi, I usually make it in the winter season because it has fish sauce. It is naturally of a hot temperament. So basically, when people say that some probiotics don't suit us, it is because they are taking the right thing at the wrong time. So timing is very important, otherwise it will give you a stomach upset. So do consult your doctor before taking any probiotics. It is very good if you make them at home. If you can't, they are available in our clinic and they are available on Daraz also. I'll share the link in the description box below. So let me know in the comment section below which probiotics you eat every day for your health and your fitness. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.